Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the dollar bead box for November of 2025. I'm a little late. I was really busy last weekend. I had a couple markets I was doing, selling my jewelry, and it was fun, but boy, was I busy and very tired afterwards. So if you're not familiar with the dollar bead box, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. The dollar bead box, it's $19.50 a month, and there's also a dollar bead bag. So you get 8 strands of fire polished beads for $8 more a month, and you can't beat that deal. You can't get that anywhere else. And if you do it monthly with the box, it's $8 a month. If you order it one-time purchase with the box, it's $10. So it's still a deal. But let me tell you, the fire polished beads are so beautiful. So without further ado, let's get this open. I haven't looked at this yet. So it says this month's bead box is all about rich tones and playful contrasts. Black, gold, red, white, and green come together for designs that sparkle with energy for the upcoming holiday season. Okay, think golden light, cozy nice, and creativity that warms from the inside out. November's the perfect time to mix, match, and make something beautiful. Open your box and let the colors lead the way. Okay, so this is the dollar bead box. The bag, if you're not familiar with it. Okay, look how pretty those are. Oh, those are gorgeous. Let's see what we get in here. I love this because they give you a little bit of everything. So you can make a bunch of pairs of earrings if you want. You know, there's just, they give you you get a good bang for your buck. These are pretty. Oh, look at those. Yeah, get some of these. All those little pyramids. Oh, this is pretty cabochon. Okay. Oh, these are pretty, these little leaf beads. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with the matte, it says matte jet vitral or matte jet half gold. So that's this one. I'm pretty sure this is the one. So you got this one. And then this is the one next to it, jet speckled bronze luster. So I'm not sure which one's which. I think the top one's the bronze luster, but I could be wrong. But look how pretty these are. You could just take these and make a little bracelet out of these. So these are gorgeous. Then you have the crystal half gold. Absolutely stunning. Look at the sparkles in there. Oh, so pretty. And then this one is really pretty. The garnet silver wash or cranberry silver wash. So this is the cranberry. Well, it could be garnet. I'm not really sure, but it's got that red in there. So pretty. And then for the 4mm, we have matte jet, which this is a great bead to have. You can use these for spacer beads and your bracelets and necklaces, any jewelry you're working on making. And this is jet green travertine or green turquoise nebulous luster. So trying to put this up as high as I can so you can see the sparkle in there. So pretty. This next one is stunning. Oh my gosh. Olive silver luster or crystal olive luster. I think it's olive silver, but I'm not sure. Look at that. I don't know if you're able to look at it like I am. Oh, it is stunning. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And then the last but not least is cranberry silver luster or crystal cranberry lined. So I think this is crystal cranberry lined because you see that line in there, and then there's the sparkles on the outside. So these are, you get all of these, get them up close, for $8 if you do it with the monthly box. And you can use my code BNJewelry2 for $2 off. And let me tell you, it is a great deal. So let me get the rest of this. Okay, so now we're starting with the 6mm check glass 2-hole square beads. jet or gray opal. I think this could be gray opal. It's not black, but it's really pretty. I love working with these 2-hole square beads. They're so much fun to work with. They're really very smooth. They're almost like a table cut. So we've got those. Then next we have 4mm check glass Drux and Jet AB, and there's 50 pieces on here. So you have really pretty, holding them up, I'm not sure if you can see this. But it's a really nice long strand. It's more than a bracelet. So you get that. And next is a 6mm, 6mm Lucerne bicones in smoke, 25 pieces. This is really pretty. I'm having trouble talking today. It's Friday, so it's been a week. And next is 3mm check glass pearls in satin white or golden sand. This looks like satin white, and there's 40 pieces on this one. So this is really pretty. And next are the 6mm check fire polish, either in matte copper or matte Victorian bronze. This looks like matte copper to me. There's 20 pieces on here. You get a lot of beads in here. And then next, or last for the strands, is 7x8mm check glass rose petals in white opal, and there's 25 pieces. So you can kind of see that right there. And there's the little hole at the top. And a lot of times I'll take a jump ring and I'll put 2 of them in there, and then I'll attach a jump ring the opposite way, and I'll make these little dangle leaf earrings. They're real fun. So that's that. So now we're getting to the additional items. This is a 12x16mm check glass cabochon black with confetti, 1 piece. So that's the back of it. And then it's really pretty. I've got some other ones like this that are smaller ones that they've given us in other boxes. So I have like a little, this is like the dad, and I have I have a mom and the babies too. So next I have a 7x10mm check glass twisted oval. It's either dark red or green opal. And this is the green, of course, and there's 8 pieces. So these are really pretty, and they have the little striations going through them. This is really pretty. Oh, hold on one second. I dropped. My desk is a mess. I'm working on all my Etsy stuff right now, and I have beads everywhere. Okay, and next is 8mm check fire polish in black, 8 pieces. These are really pretty. You could see that sparkle coming through on them. I could see it through the camera. Really pretty. And the holes are always really nice. And these are not chipped. And next, this is pretty, a 14mm check glass Hawaiian flower red or green. 1 piece. That is table cut. I don't know if you can see that. And then like this is the side of it. Oh, it's really pretty. Look how pretty that is. These are perfect for little pendants. You just put a head pin or an eye pin through there and dangle some stuff, and you've got a really pretty necklace. So I usually, especially when there's only one, I usually use this for a pendant or something, or maybe a focal piece on a bracelet. And next is 8mm check fire polish in crystal bronze, 8 pieces. These are pretty. You can see how that sparkle in there. So they're the same size as the black fire polish beads. Oop. So there's like half of it's clear, half of it's got the bronze on it. Okay, and next is an 18mm vintage style check glass heart with gold wash. It's either white or black. This one's the white with gold, and it's 1 piece. So you can see that. This is another one. Just getting one I will stick a head pin through there and make some kind of a pendant with it. These are fun for pendants. If you get two, you can make a pair of earrings. So that's really pretty. And then next, 5x8mm check glass donuts, red with black. And there's 6 pieces. These are really pretty. You can see how they have a little bit, like when you flip them over, they're like a little more red on one side, a little more black on the other. Really pretty, really, really well-made beads. And next is 8mm check glass rondelles, crystal AB with black, 2 pieces. These are pretty. So let me see if you can see. Hold on one second, where did I put, oh, no, I just put it. I've got a head pin so that I could kind of show you guys. So these could be really pretty if you have one big bead and you, yeah, so that's that. If you have one big bead and you put it in between and you put these as like the front and the back, that's really pretty. And next is 6mm check glass pyramids, opaque white, bronze, luster, or black. 15 pieces. Here, let me grab a few of these and put them on so you can kind of see how they look. So that's kind of how they look. So they got a little bit of white, a little bit of the luster. They're really pretty. These make really good spacer beads too. Like if you have them going one way around a bead. Okay. Next is 13mm check glass table cut sunflower, teal or red, 2 pieces. These are beautiful. Let me see. Let me find. Here's the hole. Okay. So this is them. It's the side of them. So pretty. These are really pretty. I love getting these boxes every month. And next, these are really cute. 10mm, oh, I can't talk. 10mm Chinese glass laser etched round multicolored 2 pieces. They have, I think it looks like a little Christmas tree on them. So let me grab this. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, it looks like a little symbol. Looks like a Chinese symbol of some kind. It looked like a, look at that, it looked like a Christmas tree at first. I was like, oh, how cute, but it's not. It looks like a little woman sitting down. I'm not too familiar with the culture to know what that is, but these are beautiful. It's got like an AB, it's kind of like purpley and a little bit of turquoise in there and pink, just to, you know, when you move it like that, really pretty. So these will be fun. These will be great for earrings. And last but not least, 8mm check glass flat star matte rainbow iris AB or bronze. 6 pieces. So let me see. I think that's the hole right there. Hold on one second. Let me find a hole. Oh, these are 2-holed. Okay, so these are 2-holed. So there's a hole right here, and then there's also a hole up here. So you see I got the hole right there, and then I also have a hole right up there. These are really pretty for hand sewing jewelry, like a pendant. This would be really pretty. I think I'm gonna have to do something with that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me tell you, you really get your money's worth with these beads. And like I said, I have a coupon code BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first box with them. So this was $19.50 a month, and then it was another $8 for these 8 strands. So yes, I will leave the link below along with the coupon code if you're interested. And I will leave a link to all of my social media as well. And I hope you, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you would do so. Give me a thumbs up, even leave a comment, because it really helps my algorithms and it keeps me motivated to keep making jewelry, which I love doing and sharing with you guys. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you soon.